both sticks.
It's going right back to the same place. Okay, so we're going to do it again in the same area.
That way right there.
Okay, are you ready?
Okay. On the count of 3. Use the big light, honey.
That is a big light, babe. It's already done.
Alright, on the count of 3, I want you to show yourself so I can take your picture. 1, 2, 3. Use all our energy. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Pretty much made this camera dead. I mean, we just put brand new batteries in everything. It don't take it long. There's no way we'd be able to do 2 investigations in one night with our equipment. They eat the crap out of everything.
Alright.
Yeah, but this picture is, OMG, just amazing. And I don't think we got the other one, but that's okay.
I want to say goodbye to you. And thank you for the picture. So, me saying thank you would be you saying you're welcome crossing this deck.
Isn't that awesome? That's one hell of a pig.
Don't delete it.
That is awesome. And it's actually in motion. It's no bug. I mean, I've never
There's
seen
nothing
anything
there.
like that. There's nothing that could have made that. It's complete darkness.
Honey, I'm so drained.
I know. I'm getting drained too, so let's go ahead and wrap it up. Anyway, guys, this is Karen and Josh from Hampton Team Paranormal.
Got some good pictures for you, Brooklyn.
Yep,
Check out our flipogram that we will make.
this is for you, by the way, New York Paranormal.
This
or
is
New
Weaver Cemetery. A lot of
Brooklyn, New York
EVPs.
Paranormal. You requested to see this, so this is Weaver Cemetery. We didn't get all the beautiful orbs, but we did catch one amazing one, and we hope you enjoyed it. So, everybody like, subscribe, and see you next time.
Guys, have a great day. I'm B. I took a load out of him.
Oh, shit. The camera fell. Just fell over. There's that footstep again. Where the hell is that coming from?
Hear that?
What?
Beep.
That went off?
You in here?
No. The EMF.
You in here and go beep.
No.
Swear to Jesus. you
No,
didn't.
I did
You
not.
did it.
No. That's exactly the same time I heard a footstep right over there in the same place I've heard it all night. And that's where we've been actually taking the pictures. That's what's weird. Oh my god, my camera's blurry again. What the fudge is that noise?
So,
Is she on at the nose or is she yelling? Oh no, that's creepy. She hadn't been yelling any other time. What the hell is she saying? Wow. I heard it though.
can we get one more picture?
Huh? Why? Oh. No, let's not aggravate him no more. They done good at giving us that one. It was beautiful. And it was in this area right here, by the way, guys. There is no light, as you can see. My lights won't even hit it. I know. I've got goosebumps too. I mean, you can't even see the area that I was taking the pictures, even with these little lights. But these dang footsteps that keep showing up around here. Yeah. I mean, my camera is blurry as crap. Well. Alright. Okay, guys. You have a great and wonderful night. Thank you very much. Weaver Cemetery, Bristol, Tennessee. Thank you.